What's up, everybody? It's Ian here with Miller Garage, and last week we talked about the new baby that we're expecting and whether it's a boy or a girl. And so if you didn't see that video, go back and check that out where we announced the gender of the baby. And we also said that we had another announcement that was coming up, and so that is what this week is all about. And we are super duper excited. First of all, I just want to apologize. I left like both tripod mounting plate things for the camera at work, and so I'm having to handheld my camera, so if it starts to droop down, you'll know why. And my gimbal's at work and everything, so it's a little shaky. But still wanted to bring this video to you today, so pardon the lower than normal video quality. But so exciting news. It's actually not the fact that the subfloor is in, but I don't know if you can see that behind me, but yeah, we have floors in here, which is crazy. We're gonna have videos on all of that, on getting the prep work for that, putting the underpan, the belly pan, and all that fun stuff in, as well as the floor. So those are coming very soon to a YouTube near you. But our news is that we had somebody actually reach out to us and buy the Airstream from us, and we're actually going to be finishing it out as a bowling alley. No, not really. Not a bowling alley. No. So it kind of looks like one. That's why I said that. Is this the shiny wood and whatnot? So no, but Opus Coffee in Gainesville, Florida, wants to turn the Airstream into a mobile coffee shop. And so they actually found our videos on YouTube, and that's how they realized that we were selling it and where we were in the process, and they really liked just the work that we've been doing, how they're going to know that the shell, the frame, all of that stuff is in good condition, and obviously YouTube kind of it gives us a lot of transparency and accountability on everything that we do and the condition of everything. So that's kind of a huge plus and a selling point for the projects that we're doing and stuff. So so they really like that, and they just reached out to us and they're like, hey, would this be possible? And they're actually wanting us to fully build it out for them. We're going to do all the interior finish out. We're going to do the cabinets. We're going to do all the electrical wiring, which is going to be pretty involved for the coffee shop because we got to run 12 volt, 110, and 220. So it'll be interesting. So stay tuned for that. And we're going to be putting a service window in the side, one of the ones that flip open. So that'll be a fun project. And they are wanting it in September, and so we have a deadline that is not too terribly far away. So I've been just cranking on getting stuff going, and we're getting, I'm having parts coming. We have a bunch of stuff coming this weekend and next week. We got ACs, and the hot water heater already came, and power cords, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So it's just going to be madness for the next 2 to 3 months. But I'm excited, and so it's a fun direction that's going in. One thing that's really cool is that me and Lauren actually met in a coffee shop here in North Richland Hills, which is the neighboring city to us. And it's Roots Coffee House is where we met, and so it's really cool that it's kind of like a full circle thing where now, this is going to be, instead of our home, it's going to be a coffee shop. So that just really kind of helps with, my arm is getting tired from holding this camera up. That's why the gimbal works better, but it is what it is. So that's just a really cool thing that, no, we didn't get to live in it, but it is going to be turned into a coffee shop, and so that's really cool. So we are super excited. We're going to have more details about that, and obviously we're going to be doing our best to document the build as we do it and get all that stuff continually coming to you at least on a weekly basis. I'm going to be super busy, so if we miss a week, please have grace, understand. The content will still be filmed, but maybe we might get a little behind on the editing and posting. But yeah, so we're super excited. Let us know what you think down below. Also, go check out Opus Coffee. They have like Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff. And if you live in Florida, definitely go check them out. Super great people. One of the owners came out this week and got to meet him, and we just spent some time together coming up with ideas for this and went out to dinner and all that, and it was a really great experience. So super thrilled about this and just excited to turn it into a coffee shop and then go have some coffee in it when it's done. So but yeah, so that's the news, and we have more content coming. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. For sure, you need to do that. You want to follow this build and everything else that we have coming, because there's going to be a lot more stuff once this one is done in a couple months. And check out our social links. But have an awesome one, and we will see you next week.